we have price, right? But we haven't actually I mean, we don't have here a total price, right? We should give here a total I mean, show here total price, right? So here you can see so now in this video I'm going to show you how you can calculate the food price in total. Okay, so let's go. And what I have to do is, let me remove all of them. What I have to do, we have to go to the resources, then views, and then we have to go to the show card, right? Here we have to actually show the total price also. And for this I'm going to actually, so we have compact the card foods, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually let's say I want to declare a variable here before the for each. So in blade syntax we have to actually say like this, php, and after that we have to actually end php, right? Okay, end php, because I want to declare a variable, so I need to actually do this in blade. Okay, here I'm going to say total price, total underscore price, and let's say this total price will be 0 by default, right? So this is a for each loop. So after every single countdown actually we have to calculate it, right? I mean, we have to actually increase the total price from I mean from the previous one, right? Okay, so here you can see we have food price here. So I'm going to do is I'm going to actually say here that after this tr, okay, I'm going to say here at php, and here we have to say here at php sorry, end php. Okay, and here what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that okay, end I mean you just have to actually increase it, right? Total price. So I'm going to say total price. Now total price is equal to, I'm going to say the current total price plus the current price of the food. Here you can see user card food price. Copy it, go there and paste it. That's it. And at the end of the body I mean at the end of the for each, I'm going to actually I'll actually go outside the table, and here I'm going to actually show that okay, I want what I want to show the output. So I'm going to say here, let's say just h1, and here I'm going to say okay, I want to show the total price. So I'm going to say total price, sorry, price, total price is, I'm going to say this dollar total price. Now let's check if I refresh. So we made a mistake here. We have to actually say here end php. Okay, end php. That's it. Refresh. So here you can see total price is 33. 18 plus 15 is equal to 33, right? So we can actually show here dollar also. Yeah, I will say dollar sign. That's it. Refresh. Okay, total price is $33. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching.